to play our game? How do we attract casual players on YouTube and make them buy the game? Well, let's be completely honest here. My YouTube channel gets significantly less views than somebody like Gavin at 2 Star Games. Okay? My YouTube channel gets significantly less views than somebody like Danny, right? Danny has similar content to Gavin. So let's compare these YouTubers. They're all game dev YouTubers, yet their focus is different, their viewership is different, and the end of the funnel, remember what's the end of the funnel? It's a sale, whether it's a game sale or a digital product. We all have a different end of the funnel, okay? So let's start with Gavin, okay? Let's just start with Gavin or Danny. Their content is edutainment. That's what I'm calling it. I think that's what a lot of people call it. But basically, it's just really sugary, fun, exciting, silly, meme-worthy game dev content. Okay, it's almost like a Minecraft video, and the reason I say, or like Roblox, because the reason I say that is because both of those are very creative games where you're making something and you're making something silly. You could do the same with Unity. You could treat Unity as if it was Roblox, as if it was Minecraft, and say, I'm making this silly game and it's really fun and it's kind of like a challenge video. That's entertaining educational content, but it's primarily entertaining. And that's a great way to capture wish lists. So if your goal is wish lists, you need to think about the target market, okay? So I call it the hero subscriber. Who is your hero subscriber? Who, in your head, visualize this person. What do they look like? How do they dress? How do they talk? How old are they? Where are they located? What language do they speak? What are they into culturally? What kind of music are they into? And typically, the best hero subscriber is you, because if you could just basically make content for you, you're going to make really good content, because you're going to know what's funny and what you like, okay? So you create content for that hero subscriber, okay? If it's a broad target market, like gamers, as opposed to game developers, then you're probably going to get more views, right? But remember, you're seeking wish lists for your game, and your game is only $5 to $15, okay? So when it comes to actual income, you have to be thinking, okay, do I want to sell a cheaper product, like a game, or do I want to go the route that Thomas is going? And the route that Thomas is going is, yes, I want to get wish lists for my game, like Neversong, I think it had like 26,000 wish lists. It wasn't 100,000, but it was 26,000. And that was from my YouTube channel, okay? So that was a great way to get wish lists. It didn't blow up. The game made a significant amount of income, but it wasn't just from wish lists, okay? But I also sell digital products that are premium, okay? So, and I'm being transparent with you guys because I want you to be able to replicate what I've done. You don't have to get 100,000 plus views every video to be able to make good income from digital products. And digital products include games. The reason why is because if you can sell premium products, then you need less views at the top of the funnel. So at the bottom of the funnel, you're converting to not only game sales on my channel, not only game sales, but also digital products like online courses that are premium, coaching that's premium, sponsorship gigs, that's premium, right? So you need to be thinking about, what products do I want to sell? What digital products can I sell in the game arena? And then you need to figure out, okay, so if these are the products I can sell, who's going to buy those? If it's gamers, then I need to make educational but primarily entertaining content. If it's educational content that you're selling, and that's going to fund your games, which that's what I do, so I found it just to be a much more significant or beneficial way to fund my games, because it's more profitable than relying solely on game sales. Even though game sales was very profitable for me, I found it very profitable on YouTube to sell educational content. I've been very honest with you guys about that. So you really need to be thinking about what you want to sell. Again, if you're going to sell educational content, then you want less views, but you're getting much more targeted viewers, game developers. If you want to sell wish lists or your game, then you need to make entertaining content. it's funny, it's silly, or it's just very fun to watch, right? Then that's the kind of content you want to create, because you're looking for ultimately wish lists. Because you're selling a $5 to $15 game, you need more wish lists, you need more views, you need a bigger audience. Therefore, you need a broader umbrella, aka it's Marvel, right, versus A24. Marvel is sugary fun. It's for most people love Marvel movies, except people like me, because I'm pretentious. And then there's the A24 umbrella, which is much smaller targeted films, right? That's kind of how I view my channel. It's very targeted for people like you guys, right? As opposed to just gamers in general. Does that make sense? Okay.